wonderful terrace duplexes and 4 semi-detached duplexes in this wonderful location. Now this is just Damija Road, okay? This is the road leading towards phase 6. This is Enugu, Trans Ekulu phase 6 Enugu. So there is security, and these are the terrace duplexes like you're seeing here. We are going to check out one out of them. After, then we're going to look at this wonderful, beautiful white and black semi-detached duplexes. They are 4 in number, okay? 1 is occupied. So let's get into this one first. Okay, so let's appreciate this. It's going to be a bit dark here because I didn't really open the windows, but I'm sure you're getting the picture here. Now this is your visitor's restroom. This is your living room, and this is quite dark, but I'll try to make it as bright as possible. This is the kitchen, okay? The pantry, the kitchen. Let's go. This is just an over. So this is the visitor's room downstairs, okay? I know it's dark. I know it's dark, so we're just trying to get an overview of this house right now. So this is 3 bedroom, okay? So we saw one downstairs and we are seeing 2 here. This is the first one. I love this. I don't know why. I just love it, okay? And it's just so demure, so mindful. Okay, so just get the restroom a little bit. Now this second one is the master's bedroom, okay? Just like I said, masters, this is beautiful. You can see the wardrobes. This is fine, okay? And this is the restroom. Get the restroom. Okay, so now with 100 million naira, this will be yours, okay? I know the video is quite dark right now, so we're still going to go downstairs and check out the semi-detached duplexes. Okay, let's go. I really want you to look at this compound very well, okay? Look at it very well. Appreciate it. Appreciate this compound. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8 terrace duplexes here, and we just toured one. You saw how it is. It is beautiful. Okay, so let's tour this particular semi-detached duplex right here. Just see the inside. You will appreciate it, okay? So this is 4 bedroom duplex. There are 4 bedrooms here. So that's the visitor's toilet right there. This is your living room. This is your living room. The chandelier is there to be fixed. And then you can see this is the kitchen, but the kitchen is still under construction. Then we have the first room. This is the first room. Okay, this is the first room, and this is the restroom. Okay, so like I said before, finishing touches is what I'm giving to this house now. So it's not going to be okay. So let's go upstairs just to get an overview. I mean, don't you like this staircase? It's very spacious. 2 people can literally walk down the steps without bumping into each other. Okay, so this is one of the rooms with the restroom. Oh, there are 2 rooms here. Wow, there are 2 rooms here with the restrooms, as you can see. So don't mind everything in this house. Everything will be taken out. But I want to show you something you love, eh? So here, right here, you have a very beautiful view of the environment, okay? So that's phase 6 that you're seeing. You can see Winners Estate. You can see your neighbors. I don't know, but that's the site. Okay, so is there no master's bedroom here?
There is.
Okay, right here. Okay, the master's bedroom, okay, your favorite part. So, like I said, fittings, okay, finishing touches will be ready in less than a week time. Meaning that if you're seeing this video more than a week to the time I posted it, you should be calling my number right now. Okay, let's talk about real estate in Enugu. Let's talk about houses, lands for sale, everything you possibly want to buy or invest in here in the city of Enugu. Oh, it's so fine. Attached to it. So come and look at, see? So you can actually see the building very well. You can see the compound. This is the end of my tour. Let me not see anything more until you call that number on your screen. Till then, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Take care and God bless you.